Airbnb time. Airbnb time. We're gonna go on in here and just take a look at what another Airbnb would look like. See what's going on. It's our first clean here. And first of all, go up there and see that. We definitely gonna take care of that. Yeah. Make sure we get that right there. Alright. Airbnb. Let's see. Come in here. Looks pretty decent. That's that. Don't see the sheets. Wipe this off real good. Tables. Dust that off. Make sure we get that. I think they was cleaning them themselves. They decided to hire us to take care of them. Everybody can clean, I know that. But when you've been in the cleaning business, you start to look at things a little different. It looks pretty good overall. It's kept up. Bathroom. No sheets on this bed. Be a little different here. Towels. Put them up. I still didn't see no sheets. Alright. Sheets there. Alright. Let's go on and knock this thing out. Airbnb style. Airbnb style. What's up there, YouTube? We back. All right, we coming in here to go on and wrap this on up. Airbnb for the late night check. There's a lot of cobwebs up here. Did get that down. All through right there. Yes, sir. Got the cobwebs up behind there. And it was over there. I got them down as well. Okay, outside. All right. Wipe down. Last little bit of laundry. Boom. They ready. Make sure they dry. Alright, put the little pillowcases on the pillows. The bed sitting together, room already decorated, ready to go. Floors already mopped. So all we gotta do is just button this thing on up. Alright. This is my first Airbnb of me doing my own. My regular Airbnb person has a job and we don't have enough Airbnbs for her to get her from her job. That she's already doing. She's already working with somebody doing Airbnb. I'm gonna get her from there and I'm gonna hire her as my manager. But anyhow, so here go my little bed that I made. Yes, sir. Airbnb style. Alright, so we finna, let's see, make sure this bed right here have all the wrinkles up out of it. I might want to put these up here first. Put the color ones up first. Let's see. Nah, it's hiding that other pillow in the back. Nah, we're gonna do this back this way. I will go back and forth, but that's too much. So, place like that, make sure you get all that lint off there. That way, or putting the striped ones in the front. Leave a comment, man. Which one should have been in the front? But it should have been the striped ones. Cause see, I think I didn't give the striped ones a good enough chance because I hid the solid on behind it, but I ain't finna mess with it no more. She has plenty of towels. We got what's left in the kitchen, and then the dry mode. So we got that working. By the time I get through folding that right there, that should be ready. Then I put them up, wipe them off, dry them off, and I'm ready to go.
Later that same evening.
All right, okay. Got this thing clean. Line that thing up like that there. Got this taken care of. Bow. What is that? I don't know what that is. We're gonna get that out before we leave up out of here. Let's get that out. Anyhow, okay, boom. We got this clean. No more. Boom, microfiber. Turn this light off. Shutting that down. Closing that up. We walking up out of here. Okay, Airbnb time. That's nighttime. Well, it's really AM, but something. Look at that. It's stuck in there. We just put the dishes up. If I can get this up. Everything in this thing, man. Just leave it. Just go. Everything in me telling me to leave it and go. I even shut it up in front of walk off, but I can't. That's how I am. I just gotta get it up. I gotta get it up. I gotta get it up. I gotta get it up. All right, there we go. Bam, look much better. Now, let me know, would you have done that or would you have just left it? It wasn't a part of the job. I didn't have to do it, but would you have done it? Dry this out. What we do with this right here, like straighten it on up. Wow, don't y'all be stealing my style now. Don't straighten it up. Y'all keep y'all to the cut like y'all been doing. Don't straighten it up. I need mine to be straight. I don't care where you're at, Texas, Las Vegas, or whatever. I need mine to be the only one straight in America. Just joking, man. Just having a good time. But I'm up out of here, man. Look, kitchen looking nice. I'm finna go on outside now. This wasn't even part of, we do in here, not out here. But what separates me is because I like to go the extra mile. That's just part of the game. I do that in my commercial cleaning, my residentials. We clean these and the doors out here. Airbnbs, you don't have to do that. Why not? Give them a little bit more than they pay for. That's everything locked. I'm up out of here, man. I say wishing they ain't doing enough. If you like the content that I put up, hit the subscribe button. There's a bell to be notified every time I put a video up. You can share. If you think that someone else would like to hear it, I'm up out of here. Mr. Wade, peace.